everyone, my name is Angelica and this is my electronic resource assignment. For this assignment I picked the FujiKit app. It is a nutrition and diet tracker. So what is FujiKit? So the FujiKit app is the best health tracker and nutrition app currently right now. It tracks your food intake and exercise. It also is seamlessly integrated with the Apple's Health app. You're also able to track your macros, the fats, the carbs, and the protein. Also track your mood, your hunger levels, and your sleep. And lastly, you can also track the quality of calories. So here on the right, I just kind of screenshotted what I had from my phone from downloading the app. As you can see all the way on the right, down in the middle where the tracker is, the second page has like the mood, the hunger, weight, measure, and sleep. And then here on the left, it'll say from like scales, how was your sleep, terrible, bad, and then you can also include what time you woke up and what time you went to sleep at. So how does the app work? You can create an account which can include your daily activity level, the date of birth, your date of birth, height, your current weight, and other additional measurements. You can also input weight management and target weight, which is all right here on the right. You can also input any dietary preferences, any health conditions you can also include, or even any current diets that you're on. So a keto diet, low carb diet, gluten-free diet. And then lastly, you can also include allergies like a gluten, dairy allergy, nut allergy, which I find that really interesting. I've never seen that on any app before, really. And then on the right, I took two other screenshots from my phone. Here, the first one were the measurements for my profile. You'll have to fill in all the information, the date of birth, daily activity, height, current weight. And then the dietary profile, your boost immunity, weight management, target weight. And then on the bottom here, you can see the diet, the low carb diet, and the ketogenic diet. So navigating the app includes like a food finder, which you can scan hundreds of unique product barcodes. And then you can also get a nutrition grade for each food, which I thought was actually really cool. So based on what you can, you will also receive suggestions for healthier food options. So here I used this almond butter that I love. And so I just scan the barcode. It gives me a grade A, tells me how many calories per serving, the serving size, the 2 tablespoons, and the amount of protein, carbs, and fat. Now, continuing on, the app also includes like a tab for diet tips. So it includes short readings from the most recent topics, such as, is diet culture harming you? Can apple cider vinegar help you lose weight? And in the readings, also list the sources of where the information came from, along with a comment section that people can actually comment and discuss on. Some pros of the app, the FujiKit. So it's very simple to input the data. They did it in a very simplistic way. So it's also a very supportive community connection. So I also find that really great, so you don't feel as alone. And then it also includes some trending recipes. And another pro, the barcode finder, which will provide a nutrition grade. I also thought that was great. And then the suggestions for healthier options. And then being able to track all the macros, nutrients, and the calories. Some cons of this particular app. It's a little bit time consuming to record all the data intakes, a little bit tedious, but you can still do it, obviously. And then the higher features always include like purchasing a higher membership, so it costs more money. It's not a free version anymore. And the other con that I found with this app is that there was no exercise present in the app. You would think maybe like even just like 5-minute exercise thing. So I would have liked to have seen that in the app. And then my critique, my overall, I would recommend this app to others. Thought it was very straightforward. It wasn't really hard to navigate, and I also really appreciate the community connection and the recipe tabs that is in the app. And then the only downside I can say about the app is that the higher features obviously cost money, and then there was no exercise present in the app. Hope you guys enjoyed.